Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Man Cave with Big Kev. Guys, today I'm off to see a group of people. I put the call out on Facebook a couple of days ago asking if anybody knew a knife maker so that I could learn how to sharpen knives properly. Well, someone told me to join a group. They sent me the link. So I joined this Facebook group. Turns out that 5 minutes from my house there's a little sort of a heritage place that does all sorts of stuff, including blacksmithing. So I'm off to see these guys. 90% of these guys are knife makers, so I shouldn't have any trouble trying to find someone that can show me how to sharpen knives. But the plot thickens. I've been watching a couple of YouTube videos, or a couple of YouTubers, one being Alex Steele in the UK. He's a blacksmith, makes Damascus steel, and a guy called Wessex Blades. His name's Scott, and he's a knife maker. And I've been looking at these channels and thinking, how cool would it be to get a knife made by these two guys one day when I can afford it. And now that I have found this group, I'm just going to go and see them for the first time today, and I really hope that I can see where this takes me, and possibly even make one myself. I don't expect to get one done in a week or whatever, but learning certain things would be a good opportunity, and who knows, maybe I'll be able to make my own bushcrafting knife. So bear with me. I'll get to this place and I'll see if they're happy for me to record there as well. I don't want to step on any toes. No, not everyone wants to be plastered all over YouTube, and we'll go and suss it out. So I'm really excited. This is going to be awesome. So they sound like good people. So we're about to find out. Alright, I'll leave it here and I'll let you know how I go. Alright guys, I've showed up and they are more than happy for me to stick around. So what I'll do is I'll go inside and I'll get some footage of my day here. I don't think there's going to be a lot of talking. It's going to be quite noisy, and I don't really want to get in their way. So I'll take some footage and I'll put it all together, and we'll get a video at the end of the day. So here we go. So what's the material that you're putting in?
Coke.
Coke?
Yep.
Yep.
Coke. Burns a lot nicer. So you know your charcoal that you can get from Bunnings and that.
Yep.
That stuff burns a bit cooler than this.
Okay.
It also spits a lot more.
Okay.
So you can see little bits flying around at the moment.
Yep.
That'll be from bits of timber that are burning off.
Okay.
Okay. The coke burns a lot hotter in that area, but it insulates as well. So see this one here. See, there's that ring around the outside.
Yep.
That actually, a layer of this stuff insulates the heat.
Right. Okay. Yep. So it just keeps it there for longer.
Keeps it there, yep.
Yeah, because as your fire forms, you get like a dome where the inside's burning and then the outside coal sort of creates that insula. So you're actually trying to get your piece with inside that dome because that's got its own little atmosphere.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
In there, and as it burns down, the outer coal burns in, and then you add another layer on the outside, and it just keeps working down.
Okay.
And then, yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
And then all the crud builds up at the bottom because even though coke is
Oh, what do they call the
it's
clinkers?
clinker. Yeah.
Clinker.
So as the day goes on, you'll see every now and again we'll let the fire cool down and then shove the coke in and pull that clinker out. So
Yep.